What is BIM? Building Information Modeling, BIM, is an intelligent 3D model-based process that gives architecture, engineering, and construction, AEC, professionals the insight and tools to more efficiently plan, design, construct, and manage buildings and infrastructure. The goal of using the BIM solution is to create a 3D model that users can manipulate. A 3D model enables users to understand relationships between spaces, materials, and various systems within a physical structure. Who uses BIM? AEC, Architecture, Engineering, Construction. MEP, Mechanical, Electrical, Plumbing. Structural Engineering. The best BIM software. Autodesk Revit. Graphisoft ACAD. Vectorworks Architect. What are the advantages of using BIM? BIM offers a number of benefits for users such as accurately capture reality. BIM software can integrate with mapping tools, allowing users to capture real-world information like aerial imagery, scans of existing infrastructure and elevation, point cloud. Go green by going the 3D route. There's no need to waste paper on rework and duplicate designs. Track project history by tracking the entire project history. Improve collaboration. Many hands go into designing a new building. The team can track who is working on what and view each other's design notes. BIM's review and markup functionality keeps collaboration neat and orderly. Quickly resolve conflict. Users can identify and resolve problems before the actual structure is built. Design from any location. BIM is typically cloud-based software. The users have the power to access designs remotely and outside of regular business hours.